I think that the most important points in the Capellini story is the concept to work on a global concept of a company. And in this global concept there is a sort of fil rouge that connects all the different projects designed by different designers coming from different parts of the world with different cultures, with different histories and so. And another idea of Capellini is to try to work with different materials, natural or artificial materials, to try to use in the best way that is possible. And again, we like to work mixing on one side very basic, very pure, very simple products, and on the other side very strong products that with their presence they can be strong icons into the different homes. So the idea is to try to furnish worldwide different homes, not only huge homes, but also small homes everywhere in the world, and giving to the end consumer the possibility to give his own interpretation of our collection. Because I think that today the most important thing is to try to respect the freedom of the end consumer that really like to mix different products together. The collection 2010s work in two different directions, and on one side we try to work with very, very light products, lights in terms of weight, but also lights in terms of image, very basic, very simple, very pure, and on the other side with products with a very, very strong characters, products that really became really the icons of the different rooms of the different houses everywhere. This year we introduced some new products of some different designers that already work with Capellini since many years, like Jasper Morrison or like Marcel Wanders. Plus we have some new entries like Rohage and like Martin Wallen and other new designers. Because again, also this is in the DNA of Capellini, is in the history of Capellini, to try every year to discover some new designers coming from different parts of the world. You know, in Capellini I design some pieces, but mainly I take care of the containers, because the containers are a very important part into the Capellini catalog. So this year we represent the container system that is just a system that you can use in the different rooms of the house, of the offices. Plus we introduce a new finishing that we call fluo. So this is just a film that we put on top of the doors, and after they are finished with a transparent lacquer. As you can see, so we do this different decor in different colors. We have from the pale blue to the dark blue, we have from the gray to the black, and from the pink to the dark red. And with this idea, with this concept, we try to give not just a solid panel color, but to give this idea of a fluo finishing.